pack just came in.
I'm done cooking. I want to.
It's so beautiful. If you don't have this braided, you cannot
So good. That's been long I added fresh. So in here I have. So see them. Hey guys, good afternoon guys. How you all doing? Long time no cooking videos. So guys, I'm in my kitchen. I want to cook egusi soup. Today I'm making egusi soup. It has been long I made egusi soup because my son, sorry, I said my son. We only cook egusi soup. I only cook egusi soup here because I don't like it. The only person that loves it is my son and my husband at times. So and I always make it because son doesn't eat draw soup except egusi soup. So once in a while I just fulfill all righteousness and make it for him. So that's what I'm doing. I'm in my kitchen. How you all doing? You guys are doing fine. So the meat is already in the meat is already cooking. So in here I have beef and pomo. And the pomo is cow skin. And the cow skin is not too strong. It's just the perfect type of cow skin. Guys, and I also have dry fish. It's already in the water. I'm going to wash that out to eat. I want to show you guys something. I've been to cook bitter leaf soup, but I ran out of bitter leaf because I don't have the one I don't have bitter leaf anymore. So I've been like my city rather in this place I live or the city I do go to buy things. The only Nigerian African shop I have there, man, that's not be shop. That one are kiosk. I think it's not shop. That one are kiosk because you cannot get everything there. Been meaning to cook bitter leaf soup, but nowhere to find bitter leaf. So yesterday, was it yesterday? I and hubby we went to shop for African food and I just mistakenly asked them there. I went to a Pakistan shop, not a Nigerian shop, a Pakistan shop to buy African food because that's where we always get some of our most of our African food because in fact anything we don't see there we can't get it anywhere. So I just mistakenly or I just asked them if they have bitter leaf. And guys, they said yes. They took me to their freezer. I was bringing out different types of bitter leaf. That's why I'm making this video. Just long time no cooking video. Bitter leaf. So I just collected one. I said, let me try it. If it's good, I'll start buying it. Then I'll be able to start cooking my bitter leaf soup. You know. And guys, I opened the bitter leaf this morning. I want to use it for a goosey soup. I opened it. I said, let me just check it if it's bitter. In case it's too bitter, let me start washing and boiling it. But lo and behold, the bitter leaf is not bitter. It's just perfect what I want. Let me show you guys. Make I show you now that they talk. So guys, here is the bitter leaf. I don't know if you guys can see very well. Let me bring it to where you guys can see very well. Okay, at least it's better. But let me unlight. Okay. So guys, here's the bitter leaf. You can see how fresh. I'm loving it. You can see how fresh it is. So fresh. It's going to taste so good. It has been long I added fresh bitter leaf in my egusi soup. Imagine fresh bitter leaf inside the egusi soup. Though it's not bitter, I would have loved it to have a slight bitter taste, but it doesn't. But I don't mind at all at all. I'm okay with it. So this is the fish I bought. I'm going to be using for the soup. Sorry guys. So the meat is already in here and it's boiling very good. So I want to wash this egusi and blend it with fresh pepper and where's my crayfish? Where's my crayfish? See Zana my crayfish. Oh mama me. Zana, I'ma say hello guys. Say hello to everyone. So see them. So that greatness will be going for summer camp. She'll be going for summer camp since on Monday. Monday, Tuesday, and today is Wednesday. She'll be going for summer camp. My madam is at home. She no dey go anywhere. My oga is at home. I better check the time. Once the time, tell her to start getting prepared. It's inside my wardrobe. So greatness I started going for summer camp. Started on Monday. Today is Wednesday. They go by 2:30 and they come back 6 o'clock. So today will be, I think today is the last day of the summer camp. Tomorrow they'll be going for Jita, which is the excursion. So this thing is just, it's in every city how they keep children busy for the 3 months. Then after summer camp, they'll now start their holiday lesson where they will help her to do her homework. So tomorrow she'll be going for Jita. She'll be leaving the house by I think by 8 something and they'll be coming back by 6. I was supposed to go drop her at the spot, but Zana godmother as usual offered to do that for us. Even yesterday, it was her husband that came to pick it was she that came to pick Greatness from the house, took her to the summer camp, and then they brought her back yesterday. This afternoon, she's her husband that come and pick you. Who's coming to pick you? Okay, no, my husband is taking you. Daddy is taking you there today. Okay, yeah, her husband is coming to pick you. So her husband is coming to pick Greatness by 2:20. And once they are done, my husband will go pick her because my husband will be at home when they are done. That's it oh. Let's make my egusi soup. This egusi is dirty oh, very dirty. So dirty. You wash your egusi before cooking? Do you? And it's so dirty.
When the morning breaks with rays of light, hope awakens the darkest night. Guided by a hand so true, Lord, I always trust in you. Every step I take, you lead. Through joy and troubles, you meet my need. I lift my hands, my heart to sing. Jesus, my God, my.
Okay, I'm done cooking. It is my egusi soup. It came out so delicious. So delicious. Oh, Mamma mia. Is it? This pack just came in. We're going to be unboxing it together. So it's a shelf for my kitchen. This 5-in-1 shelf. So I'm going to drop my tripod and see how I'm going to unbox it.
Everything through the valleys low, the mountains high. Your love is steady, it won't deny. No fear can shake what you've begun. My faith is rooted in the sun. Through the valleys low, the mountains high. Your love is steady, it won't deny. No fear can shake what you've begun. My faith is rooted in the sun. Hallelujah, I'll proclaim your mercy goes in.
Guys, good morning, guys. How you all doing? Please ignore my table. It's still morning there. I'm going to put everything in order. So I'm trying to dress Greatness up for her excursion, Cheetah. So she'll be leaving by 8:30. Everybody's still sleeping. Bobby has gone to work. I'll give you a sunscreen. Let me add sunscreen to you. Let me apply sunscreen on her.
My name, with every beat I'll glorify. For on your wings the Spirit flies. Every step I take you.
So guys, I don't know if you guys can see me. So I'm trying to apply sunscreen on her body so that my bikini no go black pass as she black before. She got share back for the deal. My house is so scattered. What? Put your leg on top of this piece. Now my pink come back, you know go be two color. Because you didn't apply sunscreen.
Why apply sunscreen?
Once you come out from the water, you apply sunscreen.
No, it's the use of it.
You're gonna keep it.
Through joy and troubles, you meet my needs. I lift my hands up to sing. Jesus, my God, my everything. When the journey ends at heaven's shore, I'll praise your grace forevermore.
t-shirt here. So guys, go back here. So guys, Greatness is ready to go. They gave her this t-shirt. This is the t-shirt they are using for the excursion, and that's the bracelet. If you don't have this bracelet, you cannot go.
Because there's something here. You now put your hand in one.
Machine. So this bracelet is their key pass. So without it, you cannot go, because like what Greatness said, there's a machine there. Before you can enter, you have to put this bracelet on it. So it will now give you access.
If you make one beep sound, then you can enter.
To now give you access into where they are going to. She's all dressed. Good morning, guys. She's all dressed. She's waiting for Zana's godmother's husband to come pick her.
No, it's Zana's godmother.
Zana's godmother's husband.
No, it's not the husband that's coming.
It's the dad that's coming to pick you. She will come and drop you. The dad will pick you this morning and take you there. While in the evening, Mom Melissa will come and pick you. She said she will be in Kunyo that period, so she'll come pick you by herself.
Okay.
She'll come pick you and her daughter. So it's not only Greatness that is speaking, no. Her daughter and any other person. So that's just it. So the husband will come pick Greatness this morning and take her there. Though I know the place. I know the place that they are going to. That was the place we went to do the registration. I think I showed you guys in one of my videos. It's not in one of my videos, Sha. In one of my videos. So I already know the place. But she offered to go drop them. Who am I to say no? There's no need of me driving there. I will say she no offer. I would have been the one to go drop Greatness there. So that's basically it. Guys, let me show you our final result of what we unboxed yesterday. How it is in my kitchen. I'm not showing that before. I did show you guys the end result. Let me show you guys the end result. So guys, this is the end result of it. We can go back. So this is the end result of it. So beautiful. So beautiful. So the only problem I have with it is that it's too long. So my fridge could not enter there. So it's like my fridge is consuming space. That my fridge is consuming space, and there's no magic I can perform. But I'm loving what I see. How do you guys see it? Make I go back. How do you guys see it? Hope it's okay. Rate it in the comment section. This one and the previous one. Which one is better? So I got this off TikTok shop. I got this shelf off TikTok shop. So if you want it, just let me know. I'll send the link for you to purchase it. It's very, very affordable. So that's it.